Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm trying out something new. This video will be full of surprises and new stuff. I tried out new brushes, new techniques, new style. My hair has a new color. It's short again and I can't talk. Yeah, and this is a new way of making makeup video for me. I tried different things, but I'm gonna try this because my brother said my channel looks like it's want to be everything. I want to do everything, and yes, I am like this. I want to do everything. So I decided to mix things together and make my videos, try to make them to everything. So you'll see. Let's get started. So, as always, I start my makeups with clean face, but now it wasn't clean because I was recording videos, and then I'm applying a little Garnier BB cream just to look not shit, and I wore a beautiful black hairband that you can't see because my hair is black too and it's just hide there. Okay, so that's my Garnier BB cream. I'm gonna apply with a beauty blender a few or just one new layer. It depends on how my skin looks bad, and I wanted to use a a beauty blender because I don't want it to make my hands dirty, but at the end it was dirty, so it doesn't matter. Yes, so I wanted to say I was wearing a beautiful black feather hairband. Yeah, and I'm using a labello because my lips always so dry, and a dry lip the lipstick looks really bad, so I applied a little. And then I'm using a Maybelline powder on my face just to look better and set all of it. And I used this small brush because I was lazy to get the big brush. Yeah, that was just only the why I use it. And yeah, I'm using this bronzer palette for as a highlighter, but I think the upper ones are already highlighters, but they are not too shiny, not too good, but it was working. This is the best I use. Yes, and then I'm using my Klairs bronzer. I love using Klairs products. I know they're kids makeup, but they have lots of really good stuff that I love to use. And yeah, and before I do anything with my eyes, I curl my lashes, and then I'm using a Klairs palette that I'm always using as a mirror. With the black, I'm making my eyebrows too much to my hair. When I dyed my hair to black, my eyes and my eyebrows look darker. I think you understand. Yeah, and after that I'm just brushing out to look more natural and be prettier, better. I don't know, this was the first time I made it. So beautiful eyebrows. Yeah, and I'm using my Only You eyeshadow primer. Yes, and I'm gonna use again with the same Klairs palette, the same black. Just blend it out, smoke it out. I tried. I'm not doing too much smoky eyes, so it's full of trying new things, and I think it was not that bad. The worst thing in this video, the lights. I'm gonna talk about. Yeah, and I'm doing under my eyes too a little bit. As you can see, I didn't see anything what I was doing. Yeah, I'm using this little palette, the red color. on the inner corners on my eyes. Yeah, I'm using the lights where I changed the lights, this stronger than the one before, and I didn't using natural lights because that was dark, because I made it this afternoon. Yeah, and I used the black lipstick. I don't know where I got that, I didn't find it out, to use on my lips, but that just didn't work with the labello, so I used another black liquid lipstick that was work better, and then I used this palette, the shiny, sparkly, glittery red, just on my eyes first, in the inner corner where I applied the red. I wanted to use glitter, but I couldn't find in any shop. I was in a lot of shops and I don't have time to go. I will go to the shop, one shop later. And yeah, I used it on my lips because I wanted this black, beige, red, shiny, glittery, sparkle look, because I'm preparing for a ball. And I'm doing this with this, I have a beautiful red black dress. Oh, and use this mascara from Claire's again, because it gives me a little dull eyelashes, I think. I like the Claire's mascaras, they are so cute. And yeah, this is the finished look, as always at the end. Okay, so, the lights are so bad. I have so much problems. I need to figure this out. So yeah, the lights is new too. So I need to do something with that. I hope this style of making makeup video will be okay and you'll like it. And I don't know what I can say. Lights are, I couldn't see anything. The video was horrible, I think. I need to improve my applying bronzer skills and this, but I think it was okay. Okay, but I still need to learn some stuff. Okay, if you liked this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a lot of link in the description that you should check out. And see you in the next video. Bye!